I'm Jen Tackney.
And I'm Jeff Tackney.
And
we're Team Tackney.
Today, we are at our newest listing, 11831 Lamplighter Street in West Garden Grove, California. It is an expanded Lido model, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It is such a treat inside. Come take a look.
Come on in. So now that we're inside this beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,600 square foot home, you can appreciate the amazing remodeled kitchen, tile flooring, and wonderful great room.
Our current sellers fell in love with this beautiful home. Their favorite things about it were the custom fireplace, shiplap, live edge mantle. This mantelpiece was hand-picked, hundreds of wood they've gone through to find this beautiful live edge mantle, and custom built storage with more of like a sea glass in these cabinets is just stunning. And one of the best features in this house is this addition.
Yeah, with its vaulted ceilings and its cove, lighted cove, it's an amazing area for hanging out, entertainment. Voila!
The outdoor entertaining space is a dream, where we're standing under this great, expansive, high turtleized, such a wonderful place to relax.
Absolutely.
Enjoy the morning coffee.
Yep. Have a nice chat with your spouse. Every exterior wall here is stucco, custom hardscape. So over here, this area is perfect because it's pre-wired for a spa back in the back corner with your privacy. It would be a wonderful spot to relax in, a beautiful bubbling spot.
Why don't you fry up some burgers, Jeff? Where can you do that?
So for that, I would step over here to my outdoor kitchen. Again, with the stucco
So beautiful.
matching the walls and a poured in place concrete top for ease of cleaning and durability.
Lasts
amazing.
forever,
Yep.
right? Okay, do you know what I want since we're in California?
But
I want avocados on my cheeseburger.
right over here on this portion of the yard, we have this beautiful avocado tree and plenty of grass perfect for a dog run.
Or maybe would you put your kids back there, Jess? Let's show them.
Have the kids come back here, lock that door, we're good. And back over on the side, we have ample shed space for all of your tools, or this could probably act as a mother-in-law unit as well.
Or all your Christmas decor.
Yes.
Thank you for watching the tour of our beautiful move-in ready home. For more information, send us a message. Click the link below. Thanks for watching.
Remember, thumbs up and click below to subscribe for our channel.